Hi everybody, welcome back to today's video. I am Sakshi Sharma from iRemedy, and in this video I am going to show you how to use the Inteliswab test kit at home. iRemedy is a medical supply company with the world's largest online catalog of health and medical products. We ensure safety by working exclusively with established, verified manufacturers and distributors that offer FDA-approved products. So the Inteliswab test kit is an over-the-counter test kit, which means you can test yourself at home and you can have this delivered to your doorstep at iRemedy.com. So we have the two devices. We have the test stand and we have instructions. We have instructions in both English and Spanish. Please refer and read the instructions before you take the test so you know each step. So we'll go ahead and take the test solution out. The test stand is for this, but before you do that, you don't turn it, you just lift it up. Go. And you place it here. I'm gonna just put it to the side. Then you're gonna go ahead and open the test up. Before you open the test up, you can blow your nose. Once you open the test up, very carefully, don't touch it. Don't touch this part of the test. Don't touch that part. And that's where you'll see your results. Okay, now that we've done that, I'm gonna go ahead and swirl it around my nose for 15 seconds each size. And I'm gonna switch. And then I'm gonna simply put the test in here. And now we wait. All right, now 10 minutes have passed, so you can look at your COVID test and see what your results are. That's it. You just take 15 seconds each nostril and then you're good to go after you wait in 10 minutes. Don't forget to read the instructions because these instructions really help you get through every step. And then how the test is looking, you'll have all the information in the unboxing video that I've shot previously as well. So that's pretty much it. Thank you so much everybody for tuning in. If you like this video, please don't forget to comment, share, and like. Other than that, I will see you in the next video. Namaste. Before you go, check out our website at iRemedy.com and get to know us better by logging on to our social media. If you learned something from this video, then please drop a thumbs up or a comment.